Welcome to Mastishka. If your mind feels restless, your thoughts are running fast. Tonight we are not trying to fix anything. आज सिर्फ relax करना है. Go to your bed. Lie down comfortably. Adjust your body the way it feels natural. Close your eyes. Take a slow, deep inhale. धीरे से सांस अंदर की तरफ लीजिए and slowly exhale. Very good. One more deep inhale and gently release. Now imagine you are already sitting near a peaceful lake. आप चल के नहीं आए. You are just there. It's night time. Open sky above you. Soft stars shining. Cool air. Calm surroundings. Lake water completely still. जैसे टाइम थोड़ी देर के लिए स्लो हो गया हो. You sit near the lake, or maybe you slowly lie down on the soft grass. Open sky के नीचे. Your body begins to relax automatically. Shoulders soften, jaw relax, breathe becomes slower. Now, look at the lake. Water is calm like a mirror. Thoughts may come, but just like small ripples on water, they settle on their own. You don't need to stop your thoughts. उन्हें कंट्रोल करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Now, bring your awareness gently to your chest. Notice a soft warmth there. जैसे एक small glowing light slowly appear हो रही हो. Very gentle, very soft. With every inhale, that glow becomes warmer. With every exhale, your body releases tension. Slowly, slowly. The light expands. Chest, shoulders, arms, head, stomach, legs. Your whole body filled with calm energy. Now this glow moves beyond your body and forms a soft protective circle around you. A calm, safe space. Now, this glow moves beyond your body and forms a soft protective circle around you. A calm, safe space. इस साइकिल के अंदर no pressure exists. No urgency exists. Your nervous system understands. I am safe right now. I am safe right now. I am safe right now. Notice the lake again. Water still, sky quiet, and just like the lake, your mind also becomes still. Anxiety begins to dissolve. जैसे मॉर्निंग सन में फॉग डिसॉल्व हो जाती है, विदाउट एफर्ट, विदाउट स्ट्रगल. Silently repeat, I am safe. सब ठीक है इस मोमेंट में. My body knows how to relax. You don't need to do anything now. Just rest near the lake. Sky holding you, earth supporting you, and this warm light protecting you. Breathe slowly. Breathe slow. Body heavy. Mind quiet. Let anxiety melt away. Let sleep comes naturally. You are safe here. You are safe here. You are safe here. Now slowly begin to notice your breath again. No hurry, just awareness returning. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Feel your body resting. Notice the space around you. Notice how your mind feels now. Even if you feel just 1% calmer, that's enough. Whenever you feel comfortable, slowly move your fingers, maybe your toes, and when you are ready, gently open your eyes. Carry this calm with you. Stay grounded, stay conscious, stay connected to yourself. This is Mastajka.